Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable faster scroll speed in TikTok. If you find the scrolling speed on TikTok to be too fast and want to adjust it, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device and ensure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to access the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, look for and tap on Accessibility. Step 6. In the Accessibility settings, find the option for faster scroll speed and disable it. By following these simple steps, you can easily adjust the scroll speed in TikTok and disable the faster scroll option, allowing for a more comfortable scrolling experience. We hope you found this guide helpful in disabling the faster scroll speed in TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a customized scrolling experience on TikTok.